Hi, it's Brian Jesson with Wintrust Mortgage. I'm here with
Celeste Barr with eXp Realty in Illinois.
And we were chatting and we wanted to highlight another program you should be aware of. So you might have heard about something called a medical professionals program. So it's a mortgage program if you're interested in buying primary home, second home, you want to refinance. And what does that mean? That means if you're a medical professional, but not just a doctor, you could be a dentist, you could be a veterinarian, you could be a pharmacist, you could be a chiropractor, you could be somebody coming out of medical school or your fellowship. And because of that, you're allowed to borrow money with very low down payments because you might have big medical bills, might have other medical bills, maybe not a lot of savings, but a lot of income potential. So you want to be aware of this program because you can literally borrow $850,000 with 0% down and no mortgage insurance. And there's levels above that with only 3% down, 5% down. For instance, you can borrow on $1.5 million mortgage with only 5% down. So if you are in any of those industries, please get a hold of me. We'll talk about it, plan forward about what that looks like. And I'd love to have a conversation with you. Brian Jesson with Wintrust Mortgage and
Celeste Barr with eXp Realty.
We'll talk to you soon.